we're gonna make another video, and today the video is going to be about welding. So it's gonna be about welding in this game. Currently on a private server right now because there's some weird people on here, even though the mods, or what I think are the mods on here, still the mods themselves, they're not the best. Don't want them to ban me for saying that though, so I gotta have my username now. And anyways, so yeah, we're gonna show you how to weld. So, you have to build something first, obviously. You have to be a certain size for it. Whatever size you choose. And so you pick anything you want to weld to yourself. I got a lot of stuff, some things over there too. But I'm going to go with my OC, because why not? Alright. So now, you go up to the chat, and then you type in this. And as you see, it puts some little, blocks on my body now. So now, you get your building tools out, and then, so we'll say, so you have to put a seat under and a little platform. So you have to turn off the collision to this, and then jump and turn it back on. So it's timed, I guess. So it makes you perfectly right on the build. And now to see the parts, you go to settings. I don't know. You press N with the building tools. If you don't know how to use this yet, then you select the entire build, just the build. If you accidentally select something else, you can deselect it or reselect the thing. Okay, so now you do any transparency you want. I'm gonna just do this because I still need to see the build. So you can see now it's kind of see-through. And then you press F, or you just click this. And then here's the welding tool. So this is kind of the hard part. So now you have to select everything, and you have to weld it onto the pieces. As you can see, there's a head piece right there. So I'm going to weld my entire head to it. And with the so there's 3 leg pieces on each. So there is a foot piece, leg piece, and thigh piece. That's like what I like to call it. And then so you weld each part to it. And then 3 for the arm. Got hand, shoulder, arm, belt part, back part. So you weld all of them. You don't weld them together because it's gonna ruin it. And make sure you get every piece, or else one of them will fall into the void and you have to redo it again. I shall be showing you some of it. I just welded the head. Now we're going to weld probably the legs, because those are the hardest. So we're gonna do the foot first. Get only the part that is part of the foot, and then you also have to select the block, and to select multiple things at once without like getting rid of the selection of these parts right here, you hold control down and then drag over it to select it. So this is basically symmetrical, and that right there was I said 12 welds. So on the other side it should say 12 welds as well. If it says less, you're missing part. If it says more, you accidentally added an extra one and you have to remove it. Alright, once you have finished, you unanchor it, and then you put the opacity, transparency back, and then you type in this so it can hide the little blocks that are on you, including your body, but it won't give rid of the parts. And now you basically have your own custom avatar on Roblox Studio though. I don't know how to do that. Just this. But I don't know, maybe in a further video. I'm not gonna be showing y'all though. Probably gonna be doing that myself. But yeah.